Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use AI tools in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're editing YouTube videos, cinematic films, gaming content, or social media clips, DaVinci Resolve includes powerful AI features that can speed up editing and improve video quality. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project you want to edit. DaVinci Resolve includes several AI-powered tools like object masking, face tracking, auto subtitles, voice isolation, scene detection, and smart reframing. One of the most popular tools is Magic Mask. This feature automatically tracks people or objects so you can isolate subjects quickly. Select the object or person you want to track, then let DaVinci Resolve automatically follow the movement across the clip. You can also generate subtitles automatically using the AI transcription feature. For cleaner audio, use AI voice isolation to reduce background noise and improve voice clarity. Once everything looks good, open the Deliver page and export the final video in high quality. And that's basically how to use AI tools in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With AI-powered masking, subtitles, tracking, and audio tools, you can edit videos much faster and create more professional-looking content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.